Hey guys, I'm back out here. I was excited to come down today. It was supposed to max out in the 70s and it's another day in the 80s, but I'm excited because I got a new tool and it's going to be a game changer. I rented that brush cutter from my chainsaw store, the Stihl. Well, my cousin's moving to Arizona and she doesn't need a weed eater in Arizona, so she gave me hers. And when I rented it, I had to buy the blade. So I had the blade and this is what I did. So that's my new weed whacker. And I just swapped out the head. It was real easy. I watched a quick video on YouTube. Just popped a key in there, took off the weed whacker thing, put that on. I had to get this little thing. That kit was 10 bucks on Amazon. So this thing's only cost me 10 bucks. But I need to fall 33 more trees before the end of the year. So I want to tackle this brush, and if I don't have a heat stroke, then hopefully I could drop a couple of those trees today. But even though it's hot, still got work to do. So let's see if I did okay with my $10 investment. I've got to clean this up, get it out of the way, then I'll fire it back up. But it does so much so quick, and my $10 investment is working. It does so much so fast. Takes a lot longer to clean it up, but I love that it does a lot so quick. Again, I gotta clean this up and I'll be right back. It's real hot. I might need to hold this stuff and take a break and drink more water, but it's real hot. But I like my new $10 investment. I'm just trying to clear around the trees so when I do cut them I have a safe exit route. I gotta clean this out of the way and get right back to it. More cleanup. I'm hoping only one more cleanup and it should be better to access those trees. It's a lot of work when it's 80 degrees outside. I don't think I'm going to get the trees today because I don't want to be this tired when I'm using a chainsaw. I want to be aware of everything and still have energy. So let me clean this up and see what needs to be done still. I'm calling it a day. I'm tired and I don't want to be using that thing when I'm exhausted. But I did make a pretty good dent today. I'd say my $10 investment, very successful. I still have a little bit more that I'll have to trim around the trees when I come back. But I can at least walk around all of them. Well, 3 of the 4. But yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully it'll cool down and I can get a lot more work done. But I'm pretty happy with today and how everything turned out. And I didn't hurt myself, so that right there is a win. But thanks again, guys. I appreciate you, and I plan on being back in a couple days if we can get the weather down to the 70s. Thanks, guys. I appreciate all of you.